In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the YouTube transcript not available error in NotebookLM. If you've tried to add a YouTube link as a source in NotebookLM and hit that message, don't worry. There's a simple workaround. We'll grab the transcript directly from YouTube and add it to your notebook as copied text so you can still summarize, ask questions, and build outlines. Start by opening NotebookLM in your browser so you're right where the error occurred and can identify the exact video that failed. From there, click through to open that same video on YouTube. This ensures you're working with the correct link and the right version of the video. On the YouTube video page, open the transcript panel, scroll below the video player, expand the video details if they're collapsed, and look for the option labeled Show Transcript. Depending on the layout, it may appear under a More or 3 dots menu near the description or alongside the Save and Share options. Click Show Transcript to reveal the full text pane. Once the transcript is visible, select the text from the very beginning all the way to the end and copy it. Some transcripts include timestamps. That's fine. NotebookLM can handle them. If the transcript loads in segments, keep scrolling until you reach the bottom so you capture everything in a single copy. Now return to NotebookLM. You can open an existing notebook where you want this source to live, or create a new one if you prefer to keep things organized by project or topic. With your notebook open, click Add Sources to bring up the options for adding material. Choose copied text as the source type. This tells NotebookLM you're pasting content directly rather than linking a file or a web page. In the text field that appears, paste the transcript you just copied from YouTube. Take a quick glance to confirm the paste looks complete, intro to outro, so nothing important is missing. When you're ready, click Insert. NotebookLM will ingest the transcript as a new source and make it fully available for citations, summaries, and Q&A. This approach bypasses the transcript not available limitation on the link itself by giving NotebookLM the text it needs in a format it can immediately understand. A couple of quick notes for context. Sometimes YouTube transcripts are auto-generated and may contain minor errors, so consider that when quoting. Also, if a video truly has no transcript available on YouTube, the Show Transcript option may be missing. In those cases, this method won't apply. That's it. Your transcript is now in NotebookLM and ready to use.